Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Acura MDX navigation system full guide. Begin by checking the navigation fuse and replacing it if blown, then perform a soft reset of the infotainment unit. Next, verify the system's software version and prepare a USB or dealer update if needed. Keep the car parked with the engine off while testing functions. I will walk you through each test step clearly and calmly. Start by inspecting wiring and connectors behind the head unit for looseness or corrosion, securing any suspect plugs. If the map software appears corrupted, back up current data and reflash the maps using a verified update file. For GPS signal issues, gently test the antenna connection and reposition the antenna if accessible, then check for consistent satellite reception. I will describe simple tests you can do at home before seeking professional help. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful car repair videos. Quick recommendation: bento box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers I use. They save time and avoid spills when you're busy wrenching. Check the video description for the link and other deals I mention, and pick one up if it helps you stay organized. Now let's get back to the video. Begin repairs with a factory reset to clear temporary errors and restore default settings, then reevaluate navigation behavior. If problems persist, download and apply the official navigation update or schedule a dealer flash to ensure firmware integrity. Use diagnostic codes from the head unit to confirm whether the GPS antenna or internal components are failing, and replace parts only when tests show hardware faults. I will guide you through safe removal and reinstallation techniques.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.